My name is Dennis Steele. I am founder and Chief Technology Officer of GrowSpace, and I am inventor of the system of Biomimetic Energy Synthesis, or SBES, which allows me to design, build, and sell specialized real estate assets, optimized for indoor farming. Indoor farming and urban agriculture has evolved from simple greenhouses and covered rows of open field crops to highly sophisticated CEA facilities. And that's controlled environment agriculture, projecting the image of plant factories for feeding cities from within cities. These advances and improvements in CEA have promoted the scientific solutions for the efficient production of plants in populated cities and multi-story buildings. Successful deployment of CEA for urban agriculture requires many components and subsystems, as well as the understanding of external influencing factors that should be systematically considered and integrated. Our major advantage is that we acquire these real estate properties and integrate them in more efficient ways, providing the optimized indoor farm environment. This technology was originally developed to cultivate algae and extract natural oils. It has since been successfully applied in many other high-value crops and other data-driven indoor farms, including cannabis, nutraceuticals, industrial ingredients, and food. Ultimately, this specialized real estate asset is an indoor farm that is proven to eliminate waste and optimize the growing conditions. The GrowSpace Platform is data-driven farming in specialized commercial buildings. We provide cost-competitive square footage to these tenants. The GrowSpace business model is a proven value creation strategy and is already generating 6 figures a month of lease income from day one. Existing relationships with industry consultants, lenders, subcontractors, and others will allow GrowSpace to control and analyze all phases of the development process. However, the real strength of this proven business model is in the detailed level of cash flow analyses and in the calculated returns. There are various exit strategies available, but based on these financials, I anticipate becoming an acquisition target once larger funds notice our expansion, and our specialized smart buildings will be replicated across the U.S. and then ultimately the world. Please feel free to contact GrowSpace in regards to our development of the world's most efficient network of indoor farms and how we will generate substantial new wealth by improving the world's food supply.